Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at AXIE Infinity or AXS. AXS is currently at the $7 region. We are currently ranked at 63 with a market cap of about $1 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $43.95 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for AXS. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So in the last 1 week, AXS is down 4.8%. And in the last 24 hours, we are also down 4.8%. And without further ado, let us push through the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for AXS. AXS versus the USD dollars. We are on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source. So right here for AXS, right, AXS has been an easy one for us. As you can see, the moment our trending EMA flipped bullish, we became very bullish, and as you can see, since then we have seen this massive push for AXS of about 134%, right? We made the warning video right here that we were seeing some little bearish signals, and as you can see, since then we have pushed down right here for AXS, right? So what is next right here for AXS? This is our primary scenario. One more deep into the 6 point. Let's get this around here. So we are expecting one more push into the $6.7 level before we see that massive bounce right there for AXS, right? And I'll show you one of the reasons why we are expecting one last push into the 6.7 level before we expect that push into the $13 level. First is that we are still seeing more selling price action happening right here on the volume profile. So we need to see the bears getting exhausted from selling before we could see that sort of massive bounce, right? Currently, they are not exhausted, and we are still seeing furthermore selling price action. So we should still expect one more push to the downside right here for AXS before we see any sort of flip to the upside, right? Another reason right there is Bitcoin, right? We know Bitcoin, the king of the market. And we know usually whatever happens to Bitcoin happens to all the remaining coins in the market, right? And Bitcoin basically has been pushing to the downside, and we have seen the same thing with AXS, a push to the downside also, right? But something we are seeing right here on the 3 days time frame right here for Bitcoin, we notice is that every single time we see a MACD cross right here on the day on the 3 days time frame for Bitcoin, we usually get to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands before bouncing. Same thing right here. We saw the cross on the MACD, we got to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and then we bounced. Same thing right here. As you can see, MACD cross, got to the bottom and then bounce. Same thing right here. MACD cross, got to the bottom and then bounce. So every single line, if you just go right there, continue, right, if you just continue every single place we have seen the MACD cross, you would notice that we pushed to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands before we saw the bounce. Currently, the bottom of the Bollinger Bands is at the $38,000 level, and Bitcoin is still at the $40,000 level at the time of recording. So we are still expecting one more push before we see that push to the upside. That is one of the cases why we are expecting one more push also to retest our bull market EMA. We could see prices push right into that $6.7 level before we see this sort of massive bounce to the upside right here for AXS. So short term, we are bearish on AXS, expecting one more drop, but middle and long term, we are still bullish on AXS, expecting higher price targets, right? So that's the update right here on AXS. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.